Have this ever happened to you? You're recording an important video, maybe for work, maybe for your family, and later when you try to open it, the video just doesn't play? Sometimes the battery dies while recording. Sometimes a file transfer fails midway. Sometimes the phone or the PC just freezes. And that one video you really needed ends up getting corrupted. Before you assume it's gone forever and delete it, there is something you must try. Hi, and welcome to my channel Tech2AI. In this video, I'll show you how to repair a few corrupted videos using a tool that can literally save videos you really don't want to lose. Stellar Repair for Video. I have a few corrupted video files with me that got damaged for different reasons and simply refused to play. One or two of them were recorded on my phone for a YouTube tutorial, and those got corrupted because the mobile to PC file transfer failed. Some other files are much more personal. These are videos of my kid performing at a school event. Thankfully, I did receive videos from the school later, but the ones I recorded myself, some of them got corrupted. And honestly, if I hadn't received those school videos, my kids' performance memories would have been lost forever. So today, I'm going to try and recover these exact videos. Let's head to Stellar's website. I'll put all the links in the video description so you can directly land on the same page. So Stellar Repair for Video is a dedicated video repair software designed to fix corrupted, damaged, or unplayable video files in just a few simple steps. It supports more than 17 popular video formats, including MP4, MOV, AVI, MKV, AVCHD, MTS, M4V, FLV, 3GP, and many more. Works with videos recorded on phones, cameras, drones, and even CCTV footage, and is available for both Windows and Mac systems, so you're covered no matter which platform you're using. If you want to check the full list of supported formats, codecs, devices, and all the technical details, I've added the direct link to Stellar's website in the video description below. You can go through everything there at your own pace. Now, before installing the desktop software, if you just want to quickly fix a single corrupted video without installing anything on your PC, Stellar also offers an online video repair tool. This runs completely inside your browser. You simply open the website, upload the corrupted video, let it repair, and then download the fixed file. You can use it to fix videos that don't play at all, or videos with issues like freezing, glitches, flickering, blur, audio-video sync problems, no sound, or partially damaged clips. It supports all the commonly used formats like MP4, MOV, AVI, MKV, WMV, FLV, 3GP, and many others. Whether the video was recorded on a phone, DSLR, GoPro, drone, CCTV camera, or dashcam. The free online plan allows you to repair one video at a time, up to 100 megabytes in size, and you can download the repaired file within 3 hours. If you need more, there's also a premium online plan priced at $9.99 per month. With this plan, you can repair up to 10 videos per month, each up to 5 gigabytes in size, and your repaired files remain available for 24 hours. This premium plan also includes a manual repair service. If automatic repair doesn't fully fix your video, you can raise a request and their technical team will try to repair that file manually. Alright, let's quickly repair a broken video. You can sign up or simply sign in with your Google account. I'll click on Upload Video. I have an old video here that doesn't play anymore. I've renamed it as Corrupt so we can easily identify it later. The video is selected. And now the corrupted video has been uploaded. Next, we need to upload a sample video. A sample video should be a healthy, playable video recorded from the same phone or camera that was used to record the corrupted video. I have another clip from the same recording session that is perfectly fine, so I'll upload that as the sample. The sample video has been uploaded as well. Now let's click on Start Repair. First, the tool will analyze the file and then it will automatically begin the repair process. And within just a few seconds, the video has been successfully repaired. You can preview the repaired video here. After checking the preview, you can save the repaired file to your device. As you can see, the video has been repaired perfectly and plays smoothly. So in simple terms, use the online tool if you have just a few corrupted clips and want a quick, no installation solution from any device, whether it's Windows, Mac, Android or iPhone. If you're dealing with large 4K projects, multiple files, or very badly corrupted footage, then the full desktop version of Stellar Repair for Video is the better choice. So let's install the desktop software now. I'll click on Free Download. Run the setup and follow the installation instructions to complete the installation. The Stellar Video Repair software is now installed. First, I'll enter the activation key to activate the product. At the top, you'll find options to change the language, access product information, help, and software updates. To start repairing a corrupted video, let's click on Add. This is my kid's music performance video, and it's not playing at all. I'll add this file. The video has been added. Now I'll select it and click on Repair. Within a few seconds, the process is complete. Since the damage is a bit complex, the software is suggesting that advanced repair is needed. Let's click on Advanced Repair. I'll click Next. Here again, we need to provide a sample video. I have another video from the same event recorded on the same phone, so I'll browse and add that. Now let's click on Repair. The video repair has started and it finishes very quickly. The preview is now ready. I've blurred the video here for privacy reasons, and I hope you understand that. But as you can see, the video is now playing properly. When I click on Save Repaired Files, the software asks whether I want to save the files at the source location or choose a custom folder. I'll save it at the source location. Here is the corrupted file we added earlier. The software automatically creates a folder named Repaired inside the original folder. And this is the repaired file, playing without any issue. If you want to add or remove any file from the list, you can select the file and click on the plus or minus icon. Let me remove this file now. Let's try repairing one more file. You can add multiple videos at once and the software handles it easily. But for now, I'll repair just one more. This file size is above 600 megabytes. I'll use the same sample video since all these clips are from the same event. Let's click on Repair. It took around 3 to 4 minutes to repair this file. The preview is ready now. This video is now fully repaired and plays without any issue. Now finally, I want to repair one more video that I recorded at home on my phone. This was part of a YouTube tutorial. I'll add this file. For the sample video, I have another clip from the same recording session, so I'll use that. The repair process has started, and the video is now repaired. Let's directly check it inside the repaired folder. This is the corrupted video, and this is the repaired version. It's playing perfectly now. Great. Friends, if you are a content creator, a professional photographer, or someone like me who simply wants to preserve memories, then you should definitely try Stellar Repair for video. Stellar helps you avoid losing your hard work and helps you protect your memories. You can check the pricing on their website. On my side, the prices are shown in Indian rupees. If you're watching from another country, you might see the pricing in US dollars or your local currency. Right now, Stellar is also offering some really good discounts, so do check that out. Honestly, for the kind of stress and loss this tool can save you from, I think the cost is completely worth it. You can also try the free trial first, though it does come with some limitations. I hope you found today's video useful. If you did, make sure to like the video. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.